This is a warning message from the state of California. Around 9:04 a.m. on December 8, 2009, a mysterious animated loop of Mickey the Mouse was aired on television, and was looped for 24 hours. Reports from the police station has had panic calls from parents who had said their children who watched this unknown animated feature suffered from depression and mental hallucination. Other calls reported in large counts of suicide. Unknown of the source, we implore you to change the channel or turn off your television sets immediately if you spot this animated feature.